I am grilling a red bell pepper for our antipasti tray dinner. And then seal it so it steams, and then it will be easy to peel it. Olive oil and minced garlic together. This is going to be brushed onto the semolina baguette and will be grilled right before we serve the caprese salad. I think that's the right way to say it. Caprese salad. So these are the ingredients that are going into our mozzarella salad tonight. Well, actually, it will be almost like an antipasti tray where we would eat it with garlic bread. This is prosciutto, fresh tomatoes. These are tomatoes on a vine, Himalayan pink sea salt. And I have some sun-dried tomatoes. My husband doesn't like it too much, but I am going to put it on the side for me. And this is the fresh mozzarella. This is the fire-roasted pepper that I did earlier, which I'm going to peel and slice. And I have fresh basil that I'm going to put also in the tray. This is balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and then pepper. I made the sauce and I put it in a gravy boat or a small sauce container, and we pour it as we serve. So those are the components. It's very easy, nothing to cook. As you can see, the only thing that I cook is the fire roasted pepper, and I will grill the bread later on, just right before we serve it. It's going to be quick. I'm peeling the charred skin of the fire roasted pepper. So this is the easiest way to do it. The one thing you shouldn't do is wash or take away the charred skin, because you're going to take away the flavor of the skin. You'll wash away that wonderfully sweet flavor that was developed when we charred it. This is the sauce that goes on top of the antipasti or the caprese salad with prosciutto that we are having. So I would probably put in 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then so this is the balsamic vinegar that I'm adding. Not much, because it tends to be a little sour if you put too much. So you can always add more to your taste. Freshly cracked pepper. So cover and then just shake vigorously to emulsify it. Oh, I forgot. Add a little bit of salt and then shake it. Yum. Slice your mozzarella and your fresh tomatoes. Arrange it side by side with the prosciutto, then
Surround it with the sliced grilled peppers, the sun-dried tomatoes, and your fresh basil. And then it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po.